And we have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena. Absolutely perfect for a game of this nature. If you're just joining us, we are already underway. And back to the keeper they go. Dealt with nicely by the defence. Well, he was clearly disappointed with that pass.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
He's picked his way through. Beckenbauer clears it away. The Netherlands have reclaimed it. Donnarumma chooses to deal with it himself. Oh, he's managed to get himself offside. Nice interception, his positioning was spot on.
Diaz really needed to concentrate on protecting the ball.
There's the shot! He scored!
Well, what a statement of intent. Who better to be the one to have the first say? A cracking opening to this game. Well, you've always got to have players that are willing to make the runs, and when you keep plugging away, that will happen.
The Netherlands finding themselves unexpectedly behind. Played back in.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope.
Oh, shooting chance! Now that is commitment to the cause. And we have our very first corner. They've played it short. He's had a hit! Poland have hit the front early, a foothold in the game.
Well, they've gained the upper hand for a number of reasons, and they have every reason to kick on now.
And that interception was most necessary.
He read that really well and stopped it.
Adams cuts it out. Maradona. Van Dijk promptly onto that, and that is that. Now who's going to be first to this? Poland leading here thanks to that early goal, and the score is 1-0. It's a really well-measured ball. Looking for the run. Bellingham! Bellingham! Rodri. David Villa. It's a sweet ball, that. Wriggles his way through. He's away! Maradona. And that should get the job done. And here's Mohamed Salah. Real chance! Couldn't squeeze it through. It's Maradona! He is desperate to get on the score sheet, but not this time.
They're just lacking a cutting edge, Peter, and while that's fairly obvious, the rest of their attacking play is actually quite good.
And that's another good win of the ball. And the pass is intercepted. Rodri. Whatever he had in mind, that was not it. Moved on forwards. Rodri.
They'll want to make the most of this turnover.
That's been cut out, well played. Well, the idea was a good one. The execution of it, not quite so.
Encouraged the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
Nicely aimed pass. Now it's Vinicius Junior. Picked out brilliantly. Great chance! They've scored! 2 up and threatening to pull clear. We knew what was coming, and he has outfoxed the keeper again.
Oh, that's excellent composure, because the keeper put as much pressure on as he could by not committing sooner.
Poland are doing very nicely, thank you.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Kimmich. Played out to the right. Oh, well played, well sorted out. Mbappe. David Villa. And he skips past his man. David Villa is sporting a guilty look after that.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on. That's positional gold, the utilisation of space.
Skillfully cut out. He is so at ease on the ball. Now it's Maradona. Kimmich kept his eye on it, and he's there. Hernandez. Oh, good read. Now it's Mohamed Salah. David Villa. Poland looking forward to the break after some very good work in the first 45 minutes. Now it's Maradona! He's keen, determined to have his say.
The Netherlands really putting a few chances together here. Taking one can only add to such good momentum now. That's alert and sharp and very well played.
Rodri. Diaz. He's got away. Well, that wasn't too dissimilar to the previous attempt.
This is proving to be a very good spell. The intensity is great, but they've got to make it count. Size really matters, and it's time to make it matter now.
Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. And the volley. No, not quite.
Well, that's a sign that he clearly feels the need to take it upon himself to try and get his side back into this.
Costa Curta. And it's played forward. Kimmich makes the interception.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Saliba, that's a lovely, neat pass. Vinicius Junior, chance to finish. And we've reached half-time. Any strong opinions on the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
Poland are heading into the break, very happy with how it's gone so far.
Substitution for Netherlands. Number 5, Luis Diaz. Number 21.
And the action is back on the way.
Number 8.
Saliba gets over and intercepts. Nicely weighted ball. Now it's Messi. Oh, that's fabulous.
Number 20.
There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. And Messi! It's in! And the second half is off to a flyer. That is just remarkable, the amount of bend he got on that.
Well, the ball flight may be unpredictable, but the predictable part was the technique. It screamed goal all the way.
And when the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that faith.
I think the manager's claiming an assist here.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Scoring early in this half just takes the pressure off now and allows them a chance to be a bit more patient in trying to level things up.
Now it's Stoichkov. And that has been cleared. And reclaimed it in a trice. Well, a glitch with the rangefinder there, and evident annoyance.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Messi. Well, that is good. Super running, sharp movement. Came up against a defender, though, who was ever so determined. Now it's Bellingham. Delivery from Mbappe. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. Oh, that's well spotted. Quality ball. Now it's Maradona. Mbappe. He's shifting through the gears here. That pass has been well intercepted. Now it's Maradona. Maradona! Oh, no shortage of confidence there.
Maradona can really show some outlandish skills, which is always welcome and obviously refreshing.
Corner number 2 then. Oh, what a climb! That's a half-decent try.
Yeah, he may have snatched at that a bit, even though it was quite close.
Rodri.
Attendance for this match was
That's been intercepted.
70,585.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
He's looking to set free a runner. Now it's Vinicius Junior, and he's managed to get free. Donnarumma catches it safely. Van Dijk gets across to intercept that. Looking for options for movement. Always onto this. And he thumps it clear.
Well, this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
They're coming again and again.
I think they just have to keep forcing the issue and they'll get clinical.
Oh, that's a fine and he's had a hit! And that is wildly off target.
Poland just served up a reminder of how good they can be on the break. Their method is clear.
Oh, that's a key interception. Lobbed in behind. Now that's well seen too. Saliba kept aware, and it is reclaimed easily. And it's Scholes. Rodri.
A lot of space here, a real opportunity.
Well, Jim, it is abundantly clear that the tone of this game has changed markedly within the last few moments.
Well, it has, because the deficit has now been halved, Peter, and because of that, it seems to have developed into some sort of shock for them, and it's going to be very interesting to see how they can take it on from here.
Forwards and with intent. Well, the run has been sold a little bit short there.
The Netherlands clearly didn't help themselves by telegraphing that one. It was always going to be intercepted.
Saliba cuts out the pass. He's a sharp little ball here. Oh, he's going to be disappointed with that. He's going for goal! And that is doing no harm at all.
Poland were again presented with an opportunity to break and look very, very threatening.
Kimmich calmly anticipates. No, that's been intercepted. Scholes. Now it's Messi.
Well, there's plenty to like about this approach. Get your head down, keep battling away, and eventually things might change for you.
And he was quick to react. Adams has been caught there, it's a foul. It's a straight red, he has been given his marching orders. Well, there may be some scope for debate over the seriousness of the offence, but none over its repercussions. They'll have to see out the rest of the game with 10 men.
Substitution for Netherlands, number 19.
So,
Number
time for
2,
changes on
William
both sides,
Saliba.
actually.
Number 16, Rodri.
Van Dijk
Coming
spots
on the
it
field,
and intercepts.
Number 3,
Fiddles it through.
Number 4,
Villa really added the width there thanks to his willingness to make the run.
Emmanuel Petit. Substitution.
And no, that was never going to make it. Now that looks a decent ball. That is good alertness. Good spot, he's seen the run. Costa Curta. Oh, a delicate chip through. Oh, well played, that has snuffed out the danger. Mbappe! He has found the way through. Can he finish? And the lead stays intact, just.
Oh, they really needed him to put that away.
Aimed beyond the defence. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. And that is a little undercooked. Keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple.
The Netherlands need to give it everything they have, kitchen sink included.
He's tried one! Desperate defending required here. Poland are looking to go forward now. Oh, this looks sharp.
3 minutes added time.
Interesting ball. Oh, super find. And he's intervened well there. Vinicius Junior. Messi. Maradona. Can he get it through? Good challenge. Excellent challenge. Oh, he's found some space here. Oh, nicely intercepted. And that is that. Poland pull through, sometimes by hook, sometimes by crook, but that needn't matter. They have the win, and that's what they needed. David Villa claiming the Man of the Match award, and there is very little room for argument. Well, what are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
Well, the early